Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are rocking. Today we will be seeing basic two cycles in thermal power plant. The cycles are very critical for any power plant working. We will be not going in depth as each cycle itself is very big subject. We will be learning useful cycles in brief. We all know water is most useful for any thermal power plant. So let us first begin with water cycle. Drum is a container where water is heated and converted to steam. Now as the temperature inside drum is very high, you should not mix cold water to it. Adding cold water, hot water will reduce temperature of boiling water. Hence, more heat will be required inside furnace to increase boiler water temperature. So more coal will be burnt. So to make system more efficient, preheated water is supplied to drum. So how is it done? Steam that condenses after leaving condenser is used for this. But how? The steam supplied to turbine condenses in condenser. It is supplied to LP heater where it heats water using steam from turbine. We all know when two different temperature things come in contact, there will be heat transfer from high heat temperature to low temperature. Similarly, heat from steam of turbine is transferred to water inside tubes of heater. This water is supplied to deaerator which removes oxygen from water which would otherwise corrode boiler tubes. This water is supplied to HP heater by a boiler feed pump. HP heater which are also big containers having bunch of tubes which get heat from steam of turbine. This supplies hot water to drum by economizers. Economizers are bunch of tubes which will preheat the water before supplying to drum. They will get heat with flue gas left after coal combustion inside furnace. Next, we will see airflow path. We know oxygen, heat and fuel when combined will result into fire. Hence, for any successful combustion, oxygen is must along with fuel. Air is sucked from atmosphere is sucked using forced draft fan and directly fed furnace via air preheater. Also, primary air fan sucks outside air which carries coal to furnace. Inside furnace, coal powder is burnt. This produces heat and flue gas. Yes, have you seen smoke when you burn woods? Yes. Similarly, here also smoke is produced. It is called flue gas. These gases are very hot. If they are left as it is, it will harm atmosphere. Hence, they are utilized to improve efficiency of plant. First, it heats water inside tubes of economizer. Here, huge heat from gas is transferred to water. Then it goes to air preheater where it heats fresh air coming from FD fan. So air that is supplied inside furnace is hot air. It supports combustion. As hot air is efficient than cold air for combustion. From air preheater, more temperature is reduced which is supplied to electrostatic precipitator or ESP. ESP will reduce particulate matters from flue gas. Air is sucked from ESP by induced draft fan and thrown atmosphere by chimneys with reduced particulate matters and reduced temperature. Now, let us see some of the glimpses of above processes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you have understood two very important cycles inside thermal power plant.